Are you looking for the best kitchen utensils on Amazon? We have analyzed more than 50 kitchen utensils and selected the best 5 kitchen utensils for you. So let's see these one by one. With our premium 23-piece high-quality utensil set, you have everything at hand you need for cooking, no matter what dish you are planning to make. It features the most extensive selection of cooking utensils currently on the market. Utensil set includes everything you need to cook that perfect dish. These kitchen gadgets are made to stand the test of time. Top-of-the-range 430 stainless steel handles provide greater durability than other plastic kitchen utensil sets. Nylon heads prevent these kitchen tools from scratching and damaging expensive non-stick pots and pans. The simple yet modern design of their utensil set fits perfectly in any kitchen and easily matches the style of any other items or appliances. Got a new neighbor or it is your mom's birthday? The stylish set comes in a nice box and thus makes the perfect gift for many occasions. This cooking utensil satisfies all your needs for cooking, and it's your great companion in the kitchen. They include slotted turner, solid turner, deep soup ladle, flexible spatula, pasta server, spreader spatula, slotted spatula, baiting brush, egg whisk, slotted spoon, solid spoon, kitchen tongs and holder. Silicone heads protect your expensive pans, keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. High-quality stainless steel, sturdy and durable, no more worrying about rusting or bending. And the special design of anti-scalding silicone handle sleeve could protect your hand from burning. Their kitchen utensils are built to last. They are ultra-heat resistant up from -40 degrees Fahrenheit -480 degrees Fahrenheit. You do not have to worry they will melt if you accidentally leave them in the pot for a while. The stainless steel stems will not bend or break even with strong pressure. It shows a big advantage comparing with wood utensils. This quality kitchen silicone utensil set is easy to wash, simply wipe under hot water or throw them in the dishwasher. They are dedicated to enhancing your cooking experience. If you have any problems about the stainless steel utensil set, please feel free to contact their customer service. Want to experience the real fun of cooking? Brings for you wooden cooking utensils which will make your cooking style a unique one and will give your kitchen an elegant look. This wooden utensils kitchen set will help you to make your cooking easier and faster. It's the time to assemble your kitchen with new furnished wooden utensils. Your all-in-one kitchen decor kit comes with wooden kitchen utensil set, salad spoon spatula, Neaho 6-piece wood cooking spoons, tools for non-stick cookware, 100% handmade, made by natural teak wood without any painting time to give a coat of shine to your kitchen. You can clean the wooden cooking set by hand washing with a mild detergent easily and let it dry naturally. Absolutely blown away by the quality of this product. This is definitely restaurant quality. If taken care of properly, this could last generations. This cooking utensil is made of premium quality stainless, food-grade stainless steel which is very strong. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean. It is heat-resistant and ergonomic designed, handle easy to hold. At last I can say it is an excellent kitchen helper, perfect holidays, birthday gifts for family, friends or kitchen. I appreciate your support and your satisfaction is their first priority. This is so worth every penny. It came with legit everything needed for your first kitchen. From cooking to serving, experience the complete functionality of these premium wooden spoons for cooking. Practical, reliable bamboo utensil set provides helpful implements for every task, whether you're flipping ingredients, tasting sauces, or serving a finished meal, so you'll always have the right tool while you're working in the kitchen, no matter what you're making. Unlike the cheap wooden spoons found on the market today, This deluxe assortment of wooden utensils set is crafted from 100% organic non-stick bamboo, which means they won't scratch pots or pans. Food debris is super easy to rub off, and its odor and stain-free properties ensure they won't retain funky smells or blemishes from cooking certain meals, so you can always prep, cook, and serve fresh using our wood spoons for cooking. Smooth, comfortable handles make using them easy. Included slotted, solid, and turner wooden spatula makes flipping omelets and mixing ingredients easy, while a solid and slotted wooden spoon make preparing sauces and tasting soups simple. Thanks to the special bamboo construction, this superior wooden kitchen utensil set can be simply washed with warm soap and water and wiped clean. Kitchen utensils are very important essentials for any kitchen. Take your time, research the products, then take your decision. If you are in a hurry, choose anyone from our list. Subscribe our channel to get tips and tricks in future. Thanks for watching the full video.